Can an LLC be an S Corp? Yes, an LLC can elect to be taxed as an S corporation by filing Form 2553 with the IRS. This does not change the fact that your business is legally an LLC, but it changes the way the IRS treats your taxes. The main advantage of S Corp taxation is the ability to save on self-employment taxes. As the owner, you pay yourself a reasonable salary that is subject to payroll taxes, and then you can take additional profits as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This structure can reduce your overall tax burden if your LLC generates more income than your salary. However, not every LLC qualifies. To elect S Corp status, your LLC must have fewer than 100 members, only one class of ownership, and all members must be U.S. citizens or residents. It also comes with stricter tax filings and payroll requirements. Zen Business can help you form an LLC and file the S Corp election, so you get the right tax setup. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.